welcome to my channel. I'm Yoshi Shraki, the host of the real estate show, Utah Home Sweet Home, which airs every Saturday morning from 9 to 10 a.m. on K-Talk Radio 1640 a.m. I'm also the host of the show, $1 Million Home Sweet Home, where we tour $1 million homes right here in this beautiful state of Utah. I'm also a real estate agent, a real estate investor, I fix and flip houses, and I'm also a national public speaker. And on this channel, we're gonna talk everything real estate as well as everything Utah, because this beautiful state has a lot to offer. And if you're looking to get to know more about real estate and real estate investing, or just purchasing your very first owner-occupied home, you've come to the right place.